she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Fly on, smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey.
So for the top of this outfit, I tried to recreate it with a white button-down long sleeve. You can also do this with a crop t-shirt as well. But then I rolled up the sleeves halfway and then I tucked it up in the front so that it would kind of look like the picture. So for the hairstyle, you're going to want to put your hair up in a high ponytail, kind of like this. So yeah, you want to put your hair up into a high ponytail and kind of separate like that. So now onto the white headband. You can take a white t-shirt like I have here, fold it halfway in the front, and then you wrap it around the back of your ponytail. And you can also do this with a white headscarf if you have that too, but I didn't have that, so you can just use a white t-shirt. And then what I did was I tucked in the back sides, and then I also tied it up in the front. And then you kind of just have to just play around with it, but you want to make sure that you are covering most of the front and the back of your braids. So yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, but that's how mine turned out. So this was the final look. Again, doesn't have to be perfect, but it works. So then now I just added in some earrings. So I didn't end up going with the gold hoops. I decided to do silver ones because I double checked the picture, but gold hoops can work as well. But yeah, so this was the accessory that I chose for the outfit.
It doesn't have to be this way, but you're making it. Oh, come on, baby, it's okay. We can turn the page over and over. Don't you know what you've done to me? Don't you feel when you're touching me? Am I made of glass? You look right through me, shouting, but you're hearing nothing. With every touch I start to shatter. Tell me, don't you know?